Greetings and welcome to the module 2 titled Electrodes. The objective of the session is to learn about the electrodes. At the end of the session, the learners will be able to explain about the electrodes and its type. In our previous module, we have learnt about the conductors and insulators and different types of conductors, that is metallic conductor and electrolytic conductors we have seen. In this module we will going to see about the basic material which is used in the electrochemistry somewhat in detail. We all know that current is the flow of charges through metallic conductors, that is flow of electrons through metallic conductors, whereas flow of ions in the electrolytic conductors is current in the case of electrolytic conductors. Electrode is a material or a metallic rod. It may be a bar, it may be a strip which conducts electron, that is current. Electrode is a material which conducts current. We are having two types of electrodes generally in electrochemistry. One is anode, another one is cathode. In anode, oxidation occurs, whereas in cathode, reduction occurs. Whether it is a case of electrolytic cell or electrochemical cell, anode is one where oxidation used to take place. Cathode is one where reduction takes place. The example of anode is the zinc electrode of the Daniell cell, whereas the cathode is copper electrode of Daniell cell. We are having two types of electrodes. One is active electrode, another one is passive electrode. Active electrode is one where chemical reactions used to take place, that is electrochemical reaction, whereas passive electrodes are mediates the electric current flow and not involves in electrochemical reaction. I repeat, passive electrodes mediates the current flow and not involves in electrochemical reaction. Example, graphite electrode of dry cell. In dry cell, we are having one carbon black graphite electrode which is working as a passive electrode. It doesn't involve in any electrochemical reaction, rather it allows the current to, that is electrons to move through it for electrochemical reaction. It is mediating the electron flow and it is not involving in any electrochemical reaction. It is called passive electrode. Active electrodes which involves in electrochemical reaction, example zinc and copper electrode of Daniell cell. Let us see in Daniell cell, this is a zinc sulfate solution where zinc strip, metal strip is immersed and is connected to a battery, and this is cathodic compartment where copper sulfate is taken, copper strip is immersed in it, and this is the salt bridge which we have connected to complete the cycle. If you take here the zinc which you have taken as a zinc strip is undergoing oxidation to give 2 electrons, whereas copper undergoing reduction to copper. Here copper ions which is present in the solution is getting deposited in the copper electrode. So thereby the electrodes are involving in electrochemical reaction. These two types of electrodes are considered as active electrodes, which is involving in electrochemical reaction. So again, let me tell you, as we have seen before, it is an anodic compartment where oxidation is taking place, whereas it is a cathodic compartment where reduction is taken place. This is a setup of electrochemical cell. Even if you take electrolytic cell, once if you reverse this, it will going to become electrolytic, where in electrolytic cell also anode is a compartment where oxidation used to take place, cathode is a compartment, cathodic compartment, reduction used to take place. And active electrodes are electrodes which involves in the electrochemical reaction. Passive electrodes are electrodes which is mediating the current flow and not involving in any electrochemical reactions. Thanks for your active participation. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with Google Meet platform. Thank you one and all.